Hi guys, I just want to update everybody on my project 64 Impala. Took the lower trunk out, um, quarter panels. Then I realized I need to change the wheel houses are bad, real bad, when I took the quarter panel out, and mounts. I'm almost done with taking everything apart. I have to fix some of the flanges, like right here and a few places, and I have to fix this trunk, the upper trunk. That's easy to fix. See, same on the other side. I took everything off. I braced the trunk, and like you can see, these are really bad. I mean, actually, this one was better one. The other one all rusty and falling apart. Alright, see, these flanges are much better than the other side. They need a little attention, little repair, like right here, and of course, when I replace a box mount, gonna need to probably make a patch right on the side. Well, that's it for now, guys. Till next time. Bye.